Hi everyone, this is your instructional video for lab number 2. Now once you're in Blackboard, go to Lessons, Unit 1, Lesson 2, Lab 2.2 or Lab 2, Plate Tectonics. It'll be in a blue link to click to open the folder. Now, the first thing I want to point out for lab number 2 is much like lab number 1, it's going to take you a minimum of 3 hours to complete it. So make sure you budget your time wisely to ensure that you get all of this lab completed. The second thing about this lab is it includes a lot of additional file response sort of questions. That means it's asking you to take a photo of something and upload it into the quiz to get full credit. There's a significant number of those that are associated with this quiz, so make sure that you set aside the time to do that as well. Let's go ahead and click on that blue link to look at lab number 2. Now in lab number 2, you're going to notice that there's learning objectives, instructions, and the quiz, much like lab number 1. So lab number 2, the learning objectives are that you are going to be able to walk away from this lab being able to explain the plate tectonics model and describing different types of plate tectonic boundaries. There's some different learning objectives, but those are the big picture ideas that you'll have. Now for instructions, what do you need to do to prepare yourself to complete Lab 2? First, you're going to check out the PDF that's attached right here, Lab 2 Plate Tectonics. This is your lab guide and has a lot of helpful information. So I have already downloaded it. I'm just going to pull that up. As you see, there's questions, there's background information, a lot of different pictures, and then it has the required materials, the allotted time, and the objectives. Now the second thing you can do to help prepare yourself for this lab is to make sure that you have all the required materials, the student provided and the lab provided materials. So the required materials that are provided by Hands-On Lab are first the World Relief Map, the modeling dough, and lastly the transparency paper. If you have any additional questions or you feel maybe that the lab guide didn't give you enough answers, you can always check out this fantastic link down here on Class Zone. It'll walk you through a lot of different other things involving plate tectonics. Now, once you have all of your photos taken for your file response and all of your answers saved, go down to Lab 2 Plate Tectonics, click it to open it. My computer's running a little slow tonight. Go ahead and click Continue and start your quiz. Now make sure you're prepared, have all your file responses ready to go and all your answers ready for your quiz. If at any time you have questions, feel free to email me. Thanks!